I'm Sonny and this is a video on one of our favorite local trails, the Gully Creek Trail. We have done several videos about this trail already, and probably will do several more, because of the prize in the middle. Dad has nicknamed this trail the Sandwich Hike because typically the best part of a sandwich is in middle. Sounds good to me, I hope it's baloney. So, this trail can be accessed from the Blue Ridge Parkway, just south of the Virginia, North Carolina line. It's part of the Cumberland Knob recreation area, where the construction of the Blue Ridge Parkway first began in 1935. From the parking area, the Gully Creek Trail is about a 2.5 mile loop. No matter which direction you go, you will need to hike downhill first, and return to the parking area by hiking uphill. We like to go counterclockwise in the summer because the initial downhill hike is more in the sun, allowing the return uphill hike to be in the shade. The meat of the Sandwich Hike is the approximate 1/2 mile middle where you hike along a beautiful stream, crossing it numerous times. Although a 2.5 mile hike is not very far for an avid hiker, the uphill section of the hike is fairly strenuous. Even I start to drag before I get back to our car. I'm glad I've got 4 legs. Enough background information, let's get started on the hike. We are not going to spend a lot of time showing you the downhill hike because we're saving the time for the hike in the middle. Yippee, we made it to the stream. Now we have a special treat for you. We videoed the entire middle part, but hang on to your hat, because we are going hyperspeed. Wait, stopped. We need to point out something. For years we always crossed the stream here, leading to a wet, slick cliff that needed to be crossed. Here's what it looked like in 2020. One has to crawl over it to keep from slipping. But today, we noticed a dap of blue paint in the middle of the stream, indicating the way to go. Either they have rerouted the trail, or maybe we have been going the wrong way before. I think they changed the location, because my nose never gets it wrong. Let's crank it up again and go. Okay, I have a little problem here, but nothing I can't overcome. Phew, let's take a break. Okay, time to go again. Well, you did the entire middle part of the hike with us, wasn't it fun? This is the last watering hole before we start the uphill hike. See, I told you everyone would be dragging, but we made it without any rescue. I love this hike. For some reason, Dad really likes this metal sign. I think he called it a historic event for civil engineers. Goodbye. I'm planning on taking a nap on the way back home.
Oh, okay.